How to register to Dubai Islamic Bank online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can register to Dubai Islamic Bank online. For this, you want to download and install the Dubai Islamic Bank app on your device. Head over to Play Store or App Store and search for DIB Mobile. Now you want to download this application on your device. After it has been downloaded, tap on the Open option. On this interface, you want to tap on the New Customer option over here. With this, you will be able to open a new account. Now go ahead and tap on the Let's Start option. Now, in order to begin, you will have to enter your email address over here. Once you have entered your email address, next step is to enter your mobile number. Go ahead and do that. After that, you want to tap on the next option. Now, an OTP code will be sent to you on this number. Go ahead and enter that. Once that is done, you will have to enter some other details. Simply follow the instructions and enter all the necessary details. After that, you will be successfully registered to Dubai Islamic Bank online, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.